In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log out Wise. Logging out is a simple habit that helps protect your account, especially if you are using a shared computer or a device that others can access. Today, I will walk you through the quick steps, and I will keep it straightforward so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, locate your profile icon. This is usually found in the Wise interface, often near the top area of the screen, depending on whether you are using the app or a browser. Take a moment to look around the top right or top area of the screen. The profile icon might be a small circle with your image, your initials, or a general account symbol. When you find it, you are ready for the next step. Now click your profile icon. Clicking it opens a menu that contains account-related options. It may show items related to your profile, settings, or account actions. If you are not sure whether you clicked the correct icon, just watch for a drop-down or side menu to appear. This is the place where the logout option will be located. If nothing appears, try clicking the profile icon again carefully, and look for a menu to open. Once the menu appears, look for the option called Log Out. It might be listed as a clear text button or menu item, sometimes separated from other options. Pay attention to the wording, because Log Out is the specific action you want to select. This step matters because choosing the correct menu option ensures you finish the sign-out process properly, rather than opening settings or returning to your account area. When you see Log Out, click Log Out. After you click it, Wise will begin signing you out. You may notice a redirect or a change in the screen, such as returning you to a login page, showing a confirmation, or requiring you to sign in again if you want to access your account. That is exactly what you want to see. It confirms that you are no longer actively logged into your Wise account. Inambizal as is dumdum plides, it is saying no longer actively logged into your Wise account. If you are using a shared device, this final action is especially important because it helps prevent someone else from accessing your account. If you do not plan to use Wise again right away, logging out is a good step to keep your browsing and account sessions secure. To double-check that the logout worked correctly, you can observe what appears after clicking Logout. If you are taken to a login screen or you are asked to enter your details to sign back in, that means the logout was successful. If you still see your account information without any sign-in prompt, simply revisit the menu and select Logout again. However, in most cases, the first attempt will complete the process immediately, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to log out of Wise.